Looking to capture studio-quality sound? Best headphones to record vocals are essential for every singer and producer. With precise audio, clear highs, and deep lows, these headphones ensure your recordings are flawless, professional, and ready for the spotlight. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Audio-Technica headphones to record vocals. The Audio-Technica headphones to record vocals are an exceptional choice for anyone looking to achieve professional quality sound in a home or studio setup. Built with advanced engineering and high-quality materials, these headphones are designed specifically for studio tracking and mixing, ensuring every note and nuance is captured with precision. Equipped with 40mm drivers featuring rare earth magnets and copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils, they deliver a detailed and balanced sound profile with enhanced low-frequency performance that adds depth to vocals and instruments alike. The circumaural design fits comfortably around the ears, providing excellent sound isolation even in loud environments, which makes them perfect for critical listening during recording sessions. The single-side cable exit offers convenience and ease of movement without compromising sound integrity, while the neodymium magnets ensure powerful and accurate sound reproduction. Whether you are recording vocals, mixing tracks, or monitoring your performance, these headphones provide a clear and immersive listening experience. The robust build quality ensures long-term durability, making them a reliable companion for musicians and producers who spend hours in the studio. The combination of comfort, superior sound quality, and professional-grade engineering positions the Audio-Technica headphones as one of the best options for recording vocals, allowing artists to focus on creativity without worrying about sound accuracy or reliability. For anyone serious about music production, these headphones are a sound investment that will elevate both the recording and monitoring process. Number 2. Sony headphones to record vocals. Sony headphones to record vocals offer a perfect balance of comfort, durability, and precise sound, making them ideal for professional audio work as well as home recording setups. Designed with large 40mm drivers and neodymium magnets, they provide powerful, detailed sound that captures the subtle nuances of vocals and instruments. The closed-ear design not only ensures outstanding comfort, but also effectively reduces external noise, allowing users to focus entirely on their recordings. The headphones feature a 9.8-foot cord with a gold-plated plug, ensuring optimal signal transmission, and include a 1/4-inch adapter for compatibility with professional audio equipment. One of the most convenient aspects of these headphones is their foldable design, which comes with a soft carrying case, making storage and travel effortless. Their rugged construction ensures durability, while the large diaphragm delivers excellent frequency response from 10 Hz to 20 kHz, providing clarity across low, mid, and high ranges. Whether used for professional audio systems or home studio setups, these headphones maintain consistent performance and deliver a rich, immersive experience. The wired connectivity guarantees a stable and reliable audio signal, free from the limitations of wireless transmission. Designed for extended use, Sony headphones are comfortable even during long recording sessions, thanks to cushioned ear cups that reduce fatigue. Overall, these headphones are a solid investment for musicians, producers, and audio enthusiasts seeking a reliable, high-quality solution for capturing and monitoring vocals. Number 3. Rumoon headphones to record vocals. Rumoon headphones to record vocals stand out with their high-resolution sound quality and ergonomic design, making them a strong contender for both professional and hobbyist musicians. These studio headphones feature large 50mm unit drivers that deliver dynamic bass, balanced mids, and crisp treble, providing clear vocals and immersive stereo sound that enhances any recording session. With a wide frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, they are capable of reproducing every nuance in music, ensuring that singers and producers can accurately monitor their work. Comfort is a significant highlight of the Rumoon headphones, featuring an over-ear ergonomic design with soft memory foam and skin-friendly protein leather that allow for extended use without discomfort. The foldable and rotatable structure, along with a lightweight build of only 260G, makes them highly portable without compromising comfort or sound isolation. Unique features such as 90-degree swiveling ear cups allow for single-ear monitoring, making it easier to track vocals and instruments while remaining aware of the surrounding environment. Additionally, the headphones support music or audio sharing, letting multiple listeners connect seamlessly through the provided 3.5mm and 6.35mm jacks. They also do not require an adapter, as the long coiled cord easily connects to TVs, computers, mixers, or smartphones. This combination of high-quality audio, ergonomic comfort, portability, and user-friendly features makes Rumoon headphones a versatile option for DJs, recording artists, and music enthusiasts who demand accuracy and reliability in their studio monitoring equipment. Number 4. OneOdio headphones to record vocals. OneOdio headphones to record vocals are designed to offer high-resolution audio performance while prioritizing comfort and usability, making them an ideal choice for studio monitoring, mixing, and DJ applications. These wired over-ear headphones feature 40mm drivers that deliver exceptional sound clarity and depth, capturing every detail in your recordings with impressive precision. The soft padded ear cushions provide excellent comfort and noise isolation, allowing users to work for extended periods without experiencing ear fatigue. The adjustable and stretchable headband ensures a perfect fit for any user, further enhancing long-term comfort during intensive studio sessions. OneOdio headphones also offer convenient features such as single-sided monitoring with 90 degrees swiveling ear cups, allowing artists to keep one ear free while recording or mixing. Additionally, the headphones include a shared audio port that enables two people to listen simultaneously, eliminating the need for additional splitters or special cables. The connectivity options are versatile with a long coiled cord and standard-sized 3.5mm and 6.35mm plugs compatible with a wide range of devices, from amplifiers and computers to keyboards and guitars. The combination of ergonomic design, precise sound reproduction, and practical features makes OneOdio headphones a reliable choice for both professional and home studios. They deliver a balanced sound profile that highlights vocals without overshadowing instruments, making them suitable for tracking, mixing, and mastering. For musicians and producers looking for dependable, high-quality headphones for recording vocals, OneOdio provides excellent value, comfort, and performance, making every session productive and enjoyable. Number 5. Philips headphones to record vocals. Philips headphones to record vocals are engineered to deliver superior sound quality and comfort, making them a fantastic choice for musicians, producers, and audio enthusiasts alike. Equipped with powerful 40mm drivers, they consistently provide crisp, clear sound across the entire frequency spectrum, ensuring every vocal note and musical detail is accurately reproduced. The over-ear design ensures excellent passive noise isolation, allowing users to focus on their recordings without distractions. Comfort is a key feature, with soft ear cup cushions and a cushioned, adjustable headband that provide extended wearability during long studio sessions. Philips headphones also offer versatility in connectivity, featuring a 3.5mm jack with a snap-on 6.3mm adapter, making them compatible with a wide range of devices, from laptops and tablets to professional audio equipment. The 2-meter cable allows freedom of movement while keeping devices safely within reach. Additional features include 90-degree rotating ear cups for one-ear DJ monitoring, which is ideal for vocal recording and mixing, allowing users to monitor both the track and their own performance effectively. The lightweight yet durable build ensures they withstand long-term use while maintaining comfort and performance. Philips headphones combine ergonomic design, versatile connectivity, and high-fidelity sound to provide an exceptional experience for recording vocals, making them suitable for both beginners and professional users. Their quality construction and attention to detail reflect the trusted Philips brand heritage, offering reliability and long-lasting performance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon